Just spray this on your scalp for 2 days. And watch your hair come back to life. It's like pressing restart on your hair growth. This isn't just a home remedy, it's a game changer. Say goodbye to hair fall and hello to fuller, thicker, stronger hair. It helps stop hair loss, fills in bald spots, and triggers new hair growth faster than you ever imagined, using 100% natural ingredients. Let's begin with the first powerful recipe. Start by peeling 1 fresh onion. Onions are rich in sulfur, which nourishes the scalp and stimulates new hair follicles to grow. Slice the onion into small, even pieces so it releases all its nutrients. Onions also strengthen hair roots, reducing hair fall and promoting thicker strands. Now take 3 cloves of garlic, a secret weapon for hair regrowth. Peel the garlic carefully, we're going to harness its powerful compounds. Garlic increases blood flow to the scalp, helping weak areas regrow hair naturally. Chop the garlic into small slices for maximum effect. It's especially effective in stimulating growth in bald spots. Now combine the onion and garlic slices in a small pot. Add 1 tablespoon of coffee, it strengthens hair and enhances shine. Pour in 1 full cup of water. Let this powerful blend simmer over low heat for 5 minutes. Once cooled, strain the mixture to remove the solids. And here it is. Your homemade hair growth spray is ready to use. Transfer it into a clean spray bottle for easy application. Let's talk about how to use this effectively. Spray directly on your scalp, making sure to cover all thinning areas. Gently massage your scalp for 2 full minutes to boost absorption. Cover your head with a shower cap or wrap it in plastic. Leave it on for 2 hours, then wash it out with your regular shampoo. For visible results, repeat this remedy twice a week. Within days, your hair will grow non-stop, thicker and fuller than ever. Now for the second recipe, take 1 tablespoon of raw rice. Add 1 cup of clean water to the pot. Let it boil gently for about 5 minutes. Strain the rice and keep only the water. Now add a teaspoon of instant coffee and mix well. Stir until everything blends smoothly. How to use it? Let me show you. Apply it exactly like recipe, 1 spray, massage, cover, wait, and rinse. Choose either recipe, they're both powerful. Just stay consistent. From week 1, your hair fall will reduce dramatically. And within weeks, your hair could grow 3x faster than before. Let's connect. Drop a comment below and tell me which country you're watching from. I'd love to know where my amazing viewers are tuning in from. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more powerful natural remedies every week. See you in the next video.